Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever gone down the YouTube Shorts rabbit hole, this update's for you. YouTube is rolling out a new feature that helps you manage how long you scroll, and it could change how both viewers and creators use Shorts. Let's get into it. You open the Shorts feed, watch one video, then another, and suddenly an hour's gone by. Well, YouTube's now letting you set a custom time limit for Shorts, so you can automatically pause and take a break. Here's how it works. Feature details. YouTube says mobile users can now choose how long they want to watch Shorts per day. Once you reach that limit, the feed pauses and a notification pops up. Key things to know. The rollout begins today for mobile. You can customize the daily limit in settings. The pause notification is dismissible for now. Later this year, YouTube will make it non-dismissible for kids under parental controls. That last part's important. It's clear YouTube wants this to help families manage screen time too. Why YouTube is doing this? YouTube says Shorts are a big part of the platform, but it also wants users to have tools for better time management. This comes as other apps like TikTok and Instagram already have similar screen time settings. Basically, YouTube's joining that movement to promote healthier viewing habits. What it means for viewers-creators. For viewers, you get more control over your time. It's great if you tend to scroll longer than planned. Parents will soon get stronger controls for kids' accounts. For creators, this might slightly affect overall Shorts views if people take breaks sooner. But YouTube clearly sees Shorts as a major focus, so creating engaging, fast-hooking content still matters. Think of it as an opportunity to make your content more intentional. Every second counts. How to set it up. To try it, 1. Open YouTube on your phone. Go to your account settings. 3. Tap the Shorts time limit option, or choose how long you want to watch each day. Once your time's up, the Shorts feed will pause until the next day. If you don't see the setting yet, it's still rolling out. Final thoughts. This feature might sound small, but it's a big step toward helping users balance their screen time. It shows YouTube's taking feedback seriously, while still keeping Shorts a central part of the experience. If you're a creator, keep making short-form content that grabs attention fast and keeps people watching. Just be aware that audiences might become a bit more time-conscious. Outro. What do you think of YouTube's new Shorts time limit? Helpful or unnecessary? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech updates like this. Thanks for watching. And remember, you control your feed, not the other way around.